Here I've got Quilly 5039D, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to open display, it's right here, and then select wallpaper, located right here. And it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from the live wallpapers, something from your photo gallery, or one from default wallpapers, and this is what I would choose. And as you can see here, you can come along with all possible options. Here they are, and then just select the one that you would like to apply. So we can pick the mountains, and then click on set wallpaper. Finally decide if you would like this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them, and I will choose both. And that's it. As you can see, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. Here it is. So this is it. That will be all, so you can smoothly and easily change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.